Hello, welcome to my new video series where I show you guys the quickest and easiest way to make a lot of money in the shortest period of time. So this one right here says that it pays $23,750. It's for people ages 19 to 55 years old, and it's for males and females. It's taking place in Lincoln, I think Nebraska, so we're gonna check it out. So when you go on the study page, it says males and females of non-bearing potential. The start date is May 8, 2025 at 9:15, and it ends February 13, 2026. So it's like a few months, but they're paying you $23,750. It's for healthy male and females ages 19 to 15. Your BMI, it shows it right here. The weight restriction is 111 pounds. And then when you scroll down, it just shows you how long the study will be. They said 8-night stay and 14 returns. So you're gonna stay there for 8 consecutive nights, but then you'll be returning for up to 14 times. Then it just breaks down the schedule, each day that you have to return, at what time. So this one definitely goes more in depth than the other website that I was on. It has less studies, but it goes more in depth on the studies that it does have. It gives you everything that you need to know, the time, the day, check-in. So if you were to come on this website and do your studies, every single thing that you need to plan, it will tell you ahead of time so that you can make all the plans that you need. I don't see the number to call them right off the bat, but if you press register for a study, you should be able to. It shows a number right here, but this is more like the general number. So this one will be taking place in Lincoln, Nebraska. Okay, so we're gonna go back to the main page and find another study. This one is 10,000. We're gonna check that one out. So it says healthy males and females. It shows who to register. Study group number. So 21 people are going to be chosen for the study. Healthy male and female. They're paying you $10,000. Ages 19 to 55. BMI shows it right here. There's no weight restriction. That's why it says 0. It gives you a short summary of what the study is about. It tells you how it's done. You're going to stay there for 17 nights, 1 return, which means after the 17 nights, you only have to visit one more time. Then it's going to be 1 phone call. It breaks down the dates, the days. It shows you the check-in times, return, when the phone follow-up is, and exactly what time. So they break down every single data that you need to know way ahead of time so that you can plan around it and know exactly what you need to do when you need to do it. And they're paying you $10,000. This study starts May 6th and ends June 3rd. So we're gonna go back to the main page to check out one more study. This one pays $13,500, but it's for males only. We're going to check it out. So it says healthy males. The start date is May 12th, 2025 at 3:00 p.m. End date is July 4th, 2025 at 9:30. So for the requirements, you have to be a healthy male. They're paying $13,500. The age is 19 to 55 years old. The BMI shows it right here. The minimum weight that you can be is 111 pounds. It gives you a summary of what the study involves. You're staying for 31 nights, which is 1 month, but they're paying you $13,500 for 1 month. Then as you scroll down, it just breaks down the different dates, the different days, then you know when everything is happening. It shows you the check-in dates, the days it's happened, the time it starts, so you know everything that you need to know ahead of time. So that's the last study that I'm gonna do on this website. I probably won't be coming back on this website to show you guys studies because I just feel like the options were very limited on this website. It didn't have a lot of studies that they were showing. So the next website that I show, if it's not the old one, I'll just make sure that it has a lot of options before I bring it here.